sense organs. In this module, you will be introduced to the sense organs. Welcome to Sid's house. Let's go to Sid's room and see what he is doing. Sid is watching a cartoon show on TV. His eyes help him to watch the cartoon. Looks like the sound of the show is too loud. This is why he is turning it down. His ears help him to hear all the sounds around him. He is eating popcorn. That seems very yummy. He is getting the taste of this popcorn with the help of his tongue.
I think my favorite food is ready. Let me go and taste it.
His nose helps him to smell the dish cooked across the room.
Ouch! This bowl is so hot. I think I burnt my hand. I better call Mama to serve it to me.
Sid's skin helps him to feel that the bowl was hot. Sid and we all use eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin to know everything around us. They are together known as sense organs. We use our eyes to see, ears to hear, tongue to taste, nose to smell, and skin to feel. Let's recap. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. We see with our eyes, hear with our ear, smell with our nose, feel with our skin, and taste with our tongue.